Hey there, now it's time for Hemester. Hemester is a combination of hem, home, and semester, vacation. It doesn't necessarily mean that it needs to be close to your home. It can also be in your home, of course. And it's just about to create a nice feeling about taking a rest and celebrate your vacation. I have some great tips for you what to do during your Hemester. Have a picnic. Go to the beach. Have a game night. Go hiking. Cook a nice meal. Or you can do whatever you enjoy. It's not just so much about what you do, it's more about who you do it with. And since Hemester is about enjoying your beautiful life at home, you can come to IKEA and find out a lot of good inspiration and tips and ideas. Hemester, Hemester, Hemester.